In this lesson, you're going to learn about negated character sets or ranges. Now, instead of specifying the set or range of characters you want to match as we did in the previous two lessons, for a negated character set or range, we are specifying what not to match. To create a negated character set or range, all you need to do is to type the correct character after the opening square brackets followed by the character set or range. By doing this, the characters included in the square brackets after the correct character will not be matched. So in this case, any character will be matched at this position except the lowercase characters f, m, and w. Let's head over to regex 101 website and try this out. You may think negated character sets or ranges do not seem that useful, but let's assume you have the lowercase strings food, mood, and wood. Then the following strings with an uppercase character as the first position. Now, in order to match only the lowercase strings, you can define a regular expression negated character set or range. So in the regex input field, let's begin by typing the opening square bracket followed by the caret symbol. Since we want to exclude the uppercase characters F, M, and W at the first position of every string, you can either define the range of uppercase characters from F to W or just type the set of uppercase characters F, M, and W. This negated character set or range is followed by the rest of the characters O, O, D. The negated character set will match any character at this position except the uppercase characters F, M, and W. Now observe what happens when I add the lowercase character f to the existing negated character set here. You can see that the first test string food containing lowercase characters throughout is not matched. This is because the lowercase character f has been added to the existing negated character set. Hence, the lowercase character f has been excluded at this position. I encourage you to try out more examples on your own to solidify your understanding. Join me in the next section and learn about regular expression meta characters.